Hi, welcome to my digital video class. In this class, let us see depiction of terms or states with the total number of microstates for different electronic configurations. General electronic configuration representation here NLR or NLX. N is the shell, L is subshell, X number of electrons in that subshell. Let us see the below table. Electronic configurations taken, number of microstates possible for those electronic configurations with the serial number, small l values, or we can say ml values ranging from -2 to +2, or we can write from +2 to -2 also. Term or state for that microstate, number of microstates for that term or state, and the total number of microstates for that electronic configuration. Let us start from the S2 electronic configuration. Number of microstates possible 1, serial number 1, only s orbital is there, 2 electrons are completely filled. Small l value 0 for this electron and 0 for this electron. The capital L is equal to 0. The term is S. Number of unpaired electrons 0. Total spin multiplicity is 1. Term or state is 1s with the number of microstates 1. The total number of microstates 1 for the electronic configuration S2. Let us go for P6. Number of microstates possible 1. Here 3 orbitals are taken. All these 3 orbitals are completely filled. Capital L value 0. S term, total spin multiplicity 1. Term or state 1s, number of microstates 1, total number of microstates 1 for this electronic configuration P6. Let us see for D10, number of microstates 1, all the 5 orbitals are completely filled. Capital L value 0, S term, total spin multiplicity 1, number of unpaired electrons 0. The term is 1s, number of microstates 1 for the electronic configuration D10. For S2, P6 and D10, term is 1s only, number of microstates for these electronic configurations 1. Let us go for the S1 electronic configuration. Number of microstates 2, serial number 1 and 2. In first microstate, the 1 electron is with positive spin. In the second microstate, the 1 electron is negative spin. The capital L value for both these microstates S only. Number of unpaired electrons in both cases 1. Total spin multiplicity is 2. The term is 2s with 2 microstates. Total number of microstates for the S1 electronic configuration 2. Let us go for the P1 and P5. Number of microstates 6. Serial number from 1 to 6. Here see the arrangement of single electron. If the electron in the first orbital with positive spin, in the middle orbital, the last orbital, and the reverse of these 3. In the first orbital negative spin, in the middle orbital negative spin, in the last orbital negative spin. Let us see the number of unpaired electrons. 1. Total spin multiplicity in all these 6 cases, total spin multiplicity is 2 only. Let us find the term for these 6 microstates. If the electron present in the first orbital or last orbital, the capital L value is 1, that is P. P for this one, P for this one, P for this one, P for this one. If the electron present in the middle orbital, the capital L value is 0, the term is S, 2S. 2p terms are 4, 2s terms are 2. Total number of microstates 6. Total number of microstates 6 for P1 and P5 electronic configurations. Out of these two terms, one is ground energy term, another one is higher energy term. Ground energy term indicated in red color. In the next class, we will see the Hund's rule, which determines the ground energy term or higher energy term. Let us go for another electronic configuration. P2 and P4, number of microstates possible 15, serial number 1 to 15, number of electrons 2, P2. If the 2 electrons are with the positive spin, first orbital, second orbital, positive spin. Middle orbital, last orbital, positive spin. First orbital and the last orbital, positive spin. 3 cases here. Reverse of these 3 cases, you get up to here negative spin. Both the 2 electrons in that subshell are with the negative spin. Let us see the total spin multiplicity, number of unpaired electrons in all these 6 cases, 2 unpaired electrons. Total spin multiplicity is 3 in all these 6 cases. And let us find the term. If the 2 electrons present in the first orbital and the last orbital, the term is S, L value 0, first orbital, last orbital. If the 2 electrons are present, the L value is 0 and the term is S, 3s and 3s here. In other cases, if the electron present in first orbital and the middle orbital, or in the middle orbital and in the last orbital, in these cases you get the term P, and here also for this one and this one you get the P term. Here the ground energy term is 3p with 4 microstates and 3s terms are 2. Let us go for the 7th microstate. microstate from 7 to 12. Here 6 microstates are there, 3 of one type and 3 of another type. In 7, 8, 9, out of 2 electrons, first electron is positive spin and the second electron is negative spin. Positive spin, negative spin, positive spin, negative spin. The reverse of 7, 8, 9 is 10, 11 and 12. Negative spin, positive spin, negative spin, positive spin, negative spin, positive spin. From 7 to 12, number of electrons in each subshell are 2, but total spin in that subshell is 0. Positive spin, negative spin, total spin is 0 in that subshell. Okay, from 7 to 12, the total spin in that subshell is 0. It means the total spin multiplicity is 1. From 7 to 12, the total spin multiplicity is 1 only. 7 to 12. Let us see the term. If the 2 electrons present in the first and last orbital, the capital L value is 0. First and last orbital, capital L value 0, the term is S. The term is S. In other 2 cases, here P term, L value capital 1. In these 2 cases also, L value capital L 1, P term. 1P terms are 4. 1S terms are here 2. One more term is there here, 1S term 3. Let us see for the 13 to 15 number microstates. Let us see the 14 microstate. Here the capital L value is 0, number of unpaired electrons 0, total spin multiplicity 1, L value 0 capital, term is S. Here the L value is 1 for this electron, 1 for this electron. Total 2, that is D term. Here also D term. Total number of unpaired electrons here 0, here also 0. The total spin multiplicity, total spin multiplicity is 1. 1D, 1D. 1D terms are 2. Here number of microstates are 15, 3P 4, 3S 2, 1D 2, 1P 4, 1S 3. Out of these microstates, 3P term is ground energy term or ground energy state with 4 microstates. Other terms or states are higher energy terms or states, that is determined by the Hund's rule. We will see in the next class. Here for the P2 and P4 electronic configuration, number of terms are or number of states are 5, 3P, 3S, 1D, 1P and 1,5. 5 states are there. Out of these 5 states, one is ground energy state 3P. Number of microstates are 15. Let us go for another electronic configuration. For P3 electronic configuration, number of microstates 26, serial number 1 to 20. Microstates from 1 to 8 are the three electrons are unpaired only. From 1 to 8, the 3 electrons in the p3 electronic configuration all are unpaired electrons. The term for these microstates from 1 to 8, the capital L value is 0, the term is S. S term for the microstates 1 to 8, the capital L value 0. Let us see the electronic arrangement of these 3 electrons for the microstates 1 to 8. In the first microstate, all the 3 electrons are positive spin. In the next case, reverse of it, all the 3 electrons are negative spin. In the first microstate, number of unpaired electrons 3. In the second also, number of unpaired electrons 3. Total spin multiplicity is 4. The term is 4s. For the microstates 3 to 8, for here, if the 2 electrons are positive spin and 1 electron is negative spin, if the negative spin electron present in third orbital or the second orbital or the first orbital, that these types are 3 microstates. Reverse of these 3, we get here 2 electrons are negative spin and another electron with the positive spin. That positive spin electron present in the third orbital or the second orbital, that is middle orbital or the first orbital. You get here 3. These 3 and these 3 are reverse of each other. Term, already I told S term. For the total spin multiplicity, we have to see the number of unpaired electrons from the microstate 3 to 8. Here the number of unpaired electrons, in that subshell we have to see. For the microstate 3 to 8, in all these 6 cases, 2 electrons are with one spin and the 1 electron with the opposite spin. The overall number of unpaired electrons in that subshell gives only 1. Then the total spin multiplicity for the microstates from 3 to 8 is 2. For example, in this subshell, positive spin, negative spin, these 2 electrons nullify each other. This only 1 electron in the subshell with the spin. Then the overall resulting number of unpaired electrons 1 only for the microstates 3 to 8. That gives the total spin multiplicity 2 only. The term is 2s. Let us see the other microstates 9 to 20. The microstates 9 to 20 are 2 electrons are in one orbital. Here first orbital 2 electrons, or in the middle orbital 2 electrons, or in the last orbital 2 electrons. In the last orbital 2 electrons. The another electron may be with the positive spin here or the here. Reverse of it, positive negative spin here or here. Or in other cases, for the middle 2 electrons, positive spin here or here. Reverse of it, negative spin here or here. If the 2 electrons present in the last orbital, positive spin electron here or here. Reverse of it, negative spin here or here. For the microstates 9 to 20, number of unpaired electrons in that subshell are only 1. That gives the total spin multiplicity 2 for the microstates 9 to 20. Total spin multiplicity is 20 only for the microstates 9 to 20. Let us see the term. If the single electron present in middle orbital, here 2s, here also 2s, if here 2s, here 2s, because L, small l value 0, capital L value 0, the term is 2s. If the electron present in the middle, here or here, here or here, you get the term s. If the electron present in the first orbital or the last orbital here, first orbital, here first orbital, here first orbital. The capital L value is 1, the term is P. Let us see 2p term, 2p, 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 2p. How many 2p terms are there? 8 microstates. 2s terms are 10. 4s terms are 2. 4s term is the ground energy term or state. Remaining are higher energy terms or states. Total terms 3. Total states 3. Number of microstates 20. Let us move for the last depictive representation of the electronic configurations for D1 and D9. Number of microstates 10, 1 to 10 serial number. For the microstate 1 to 5, in each case the single electron with the positive spin, first orbital, second orbital, middle orbital, last but one, last orbital. Reverse of these 1 to 5 microstates 6 to 10. In all these 10 microstates, number of unpaired electrons are 1, total spin multiplicity is 2. Let us go for the term. If the electron present in the middle orbital, the L value 0 and the term is s, 2s. For here also 2s. If the electron present in the first orbital or the last orbital, the capital L value 2, the term is d. Last orbital or the first orbital, last orbital or the first orbital, the term is d. If the electron present in the second orbital, here the term is p, L value 1. Here also L value 1, 2p. And the last but one, here the L value is 1, term is P. Here the L value is 1, term is 2P. Total number of terms possible, that are 3 terms or states possible: 2D 2 microstates, 2P 4 microstates, 2S 2 microstates. Out of these 3 states, one is ground energy state, that is 2D. Ground energy state, that is 2D. The remaining 2 states are higher energy terms, but their energy is similar and close to the energy of the 2D term. That is why these 2 terms, 2P term and 2S terms or states, are similar to 2D. That's why I have written 2D term 10 microstates. For this D1 and D9 electronic configurations, 3 terms or states possible, but only one term or state exists, that is 2D with 10 microstates. 2P term, 2S term, they do not exist. Let us see for the remaining other electronic configurations: D2, D8, D3, D7, D4, D6, D5. Here number of unpaired electrons 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of microstates 45, 120, 210, 250. Depicting the total number of microstates is not possible over here. That's why I am trying to give only the ground energy term for these electronic configurations. The ground energy term I have taken for each electronic configuration. For example, D2 2 electrons, D3 3 electrons, D4 4 electrons, D5 5 electrons. Let us see number of unpaired electrons 2, total spin multiplicity is 3. Number of unpaired electrons 3, total spin multiplicity 4. Here 4 unpaired electrons, total spin multiplicity 3. Here 5 unpaired electrons, total spin multiplicity 6. Let us see the term. Here all the 5 orbitals are partially filled. The capital L value 0, the term is S, 6S. 6S is the ground energy term or state for D5 electronic configuration. And for D4, the term is, here the L value is 2, the term is D. 0 for the small L value, 0 for it, 1 for it, -1 nullifies, 2 for it. The overall capital L value is 2, the term is D. For here, the small L value is 0, 1, 2, the total capital L value is 3, term is F. Here, small L value 1, 2, total capital L value 3, term is 3F. 3F, 4F, 3D, these are also ground state. Energy or terms 3F for D2 and D8 electronic configurations. For D3 and D7 4F, for D4 and D6 3D, for D5 6S term, ground energy term. Number of microstates already represented: 45, 120, 210 and 252. Thank you.